Dear students, I am your Satyan sir online. Can you hear me? Yes. Days back, I came online with the poem The Election. I think you learned the poem. You know, the name of our examination is Literature and Vital Issues. It's a common paper. And for the examination, you are given two texts. The first text is Reading on Indian Constitution, Secularism and Environment. The second text is Literature and Contemporary Issues. In the program or exam, we have different types of questions. The first one is essay type questions. When you learn a chapter lesson, you have to make sure that you learned an essay, paragraphs or annotations, multiple questions, short questions. So today we decided to conduct an examination based on multiple questions from the text Indian Constitution. In this examination contest or program, all the students from BCom, BBA, BA, BA Economics, History, English, Malayalam, students can participate. Listen, I will read a question here and 4 options. It is your duty to find out the right option. Can you follow me? I will read a question here and 4 options. You have to find out the right option. Are you ready? Then take a single sheet of paper and a pen. Students, are you ready? Then here the first question. Who wrote the poem The Telephone Conversation? Who wrote the poem The Telephone Conversation? Your options: A. Sitagant Mahapatra, B. Wole Soyinka, C. Basavanna, D. None of these. Write the right option on the page, on the paper. Options: A. Sitagant Mahapatra, B. Wole Soyinka, C. Basavanna, D. None of these. Then the right option is B. Wole Soyinka. The poem The Telephone Conversation is written by Wole Soyinka. Wole Soyinka is an African writer who got the Nobel Prize for Literature. First African writer who got Nobel Prize for Literature. How many of you write the right option? Thank you. Then your second question is right here. Name the autobiography of Kamala Das. Name the autobiography of Kamala Das. Options: A. Her story, B. Your story, C. My story, D. None of these. Name the autobiography of Kamala Das. Option A. Her story, B. Your story, C. My story, D. None of these. Right option is C. My story. You are given an excerpt taken from the autobiography of Kamala Das, My Story, The Humiliation of a Brown Child in a European School. In the excerpt, Kamala Das described her own experience while studying in a European school in Calcutta. So, The right option is C. My Story. Your third question is, in the poem A Monologue, the speaker compares the abuser to a dash. In the poem A Monologue, the speaker compares the abuser to a dash. Your options: A. Buffalo, B. Cow, C. Tiger, D. None of these. Options: A. Buffalo, B. Cow, C. Tiger, D. None of these. In the poem A Monologue, the poem is written by the poem is written by Raju Solanki. The speaker is a scavenger. In the poem A Monologue, the speaker compares the abuser who called the scavenger a dirty scavenger. Option: A. Buffalo, B. Cow, C. Tiger, D. None of these. The right option is buffalo. The speaker, the scavenger, compared the abuser to a buffalo. Right option? Okay. Then your fourth question. Kumud Paude passed her MA with a dash. Kumud Paude passed her MA with a dash. Option A. Distinction, B. First class, C. Second class, D. None of these. The right option is A. Distinction. Kumud Paude, she passed her MA with a distinction. Your fifth question is right here. Who is believed to be composed vajanas? Who is believed to be composed vajanas? Option A. Kamala Das, option B. A.K. Ramanujan, C. Vasavanna, D. None of these. Who is believed to be composed vajanas? The right option is C. Vasavanna. Vasavanna, who wrote the poem The Rich Will Make a Temple for Shiva. Your sixth question is, name the novel of Meena Alexander. Name the novel of Meena Alexander. Mampalli Road. Option B. Mallappalli Road. Option C. Nampalli Road. D. None of these. Meena Alexander, Kerala origin. In her span of life, she wrote 2 novels. Manhattan Music. The next one is your options: A. Mampalli Road, B. Mallappalli Road, C. Nampalli Road, D. None of these. I think you know the right option, Nampalli Road. From the novel, you are given the Orange Sellers Protest. The excerpt, the Orange Sellers Protest, is the first chapter of the novel Nampalli Road. The Orange Sellers Protest is the first chapter of the novel Nampalli Road. Your seventh question is, who was the first Indian got Nobel Prize for Literature? You know, who was the first African writer who got Nobel Prize for Literature? Volkswagen. Who was the first Indian? Who was the first Indian got Nobel Prize for Literature? Your options: A. Kamala Das, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. A.K. Ramanujan, D. None of these. First Indian, Asian, non-European. A. Kamala Das, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. A.K. Ramanujan, D. None of these. Rabindranath Tagore is the right option. Rabindranath Tagore is the first Indian, Asian and non-European who got the Nobel Prize for Literature. It was to his Geetanjali. Your eighth question is, Maggie Percy belongs to dash. Maggie Percy, who wrote the poem Barbie Doll. She belongs to option A, India, B, Britain, C, America, D, none of these. Maggie Percy belongs to America, American poet. She was an American poet. Maggie Percy, Barbie Doll. Again question, listen. What is described as raven black? What is described as raven black in the poem Telephone Conversation? The poet, the speaker, the black man described his body part. What part is described as raven black? Your options: face, B, foot, C, eye, D, none of these. What is described as raven black? Is it face or foot or eye? D, none of these. I think you know the right option, none of these, because bottom part is described as raven black. Bottom part. Your first option is face, B, foot, C, eye, D, none of these. Right option is none of this, because raven bottom part is described as raven black. Again question, your 10th question is right here. Who is Shirley Temple? Remember the excerpt, The Humiliation of a Brown Child in a European School by Kamala Das. Who is described as, or who is Shirley Temple? Principal, Aya, classmate, D, none of these. Listen, A, principal, B, Aya, C, classmate, D, none of these. Find out the right option. Who is Shirley Temple? Okay. Shirley Temple is the principal of the European school in which where Kamala studied. You know that. Shirley Temple. In the excerpt, there is also a character Shirley. Shirley is a classmate of Kamala. Shirley Temple is the principal of the European school where Kamala studied. So, question is, who is Shirley Temple, principal of the European school? Option A is right option. Eleventh question is, who got Katha Award for translation in 1993? Who got Katha Award for translation in 1993? Katha Award. It is for translation. Who got it in 1993? Option A, R.E. Escher, B, T.C. Narayanan, C, K.M. Sharif, D, none of these. R.E. Escher, B, T.C. Narayanan, C, K.M. Sharif, D, none of these. Who got Katha Award for translation in 1993? It was K.M. Sharif. K.M. Sharif got Katha Award for translation in 1993. He translated Raju Solanki's poem A Monologue into English. R.E. Escher, Vaikam Muhammad Bashir's works translated into English. T.C. Narayanan translated Aidihimala into English. K.M. Sharif translated Raju Solanki's poem A Monologue into English. Your 12th question is, in the novel Nampalli Road, in the novel Nampalli Road by Meena Alexander, the protagonist Ramu loved dash. Ramu loved dash. Your options right here. Option A, Uma. B, Meera. C, Shirley. D, none of these. A, Uma. B, Meera. C, Shirley. D, none of these. Right option, Meera. Ramu and Meera. Ramu and Meera. They are the protagonists in the novel Nampalli Road by Meena Alexander. Your 13th question. Uma's brother is Uma, character in the short story Rabindranath Tagore, The Exercise Book. Uma's brother is dash. Your options A, Gobindlal. B, Pyari Mohan. C, Haricharan. D, none of these. Options again. A, Gobindlal. B, Pyari Mohan. C, Haricharan. D, none of these. Uma's brother. Uma's brother is right option, Gobindlal. How many of you? Good. Enough. 14th question. Who among the following is a constitution expert? Who among the following is a constitution expert? Your options A, A.K. Ramanujan. B, Tagore. C, Nani A. Palkiwala. D, none of these. Options A, A.K. Ramanujan. B, Tagore. C, Nani A. Palkiwala. D, none of these. Constitution expert. It is Nani A. Palkiwala. Right option. Option C is right. Again, 15th question. Sitagant Mahapatra is a dash poet. Sitagant Mahapatra, who wrote the poem The Election? Kannada poet, option A. Option B, Oriyan poet. C, Bengali. D, none of these. Sitagant Mahapatra is a dash poet. Right option B, Oriyan poet. Sixteenth question. Arakkal Bibi's hometown was dash. Arakkal Bibi's hometown was dash. Option A, Kannur. B, Kozhikode. C, Kottayam. D, none of these. Arakkal Bibi's hometown was Kannur. Right option A, Kannur. 17th question. Who saved the drowned princess? A Hindu princess and her Islamic dynasty is an excerpt taken from Kottarathil Shankuni's Aidihimala. In this part, we saw one day two unmarried princesses went to bath by the nearby river. One of them drowned. Who saved the drowned princess? Option A prince. B, a princess. C, a Muslim youth. D, none of these. Who saved the drowned princess? Options A prince, B. A princess, C. A Muslim youth, D. None of these. The right option is a Muslim youth. A Muslim youth saved the drowned princess. Later they married. You know that, the story. Eighteenth question. Name the movement of Medha Patkar is associated with. An interview, you have to learn from the text. Medha Patkar interview by Dilip D'Souza. Your question is, name the movement of Medha Patkar is associated with. Option A, Narmada Bachao Andolan, Ring Around Trees, C. Save Nature and Man, D. None of these. Again, options A. Narmada Bachao Andolan, B. Ring Around Trees, D. Save Nature and Man, D. None of these. I think you know the option A. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Just before the last question, 90th question. How many schools participated in the Green School Contest? Listen, many times. This question many times asked by the university. How many schools participated in the Green School Contest? Your options: 1,400, 1,300, 1,200, 1,500. Your options again: A. 1,400, 1,300, 1,200, D. 1,500. You know that the right option is A. 1,400. The last question. The flowers of the chambak trees caused migraine to. The poem Ecology by A.K. Ramanujan. Remember, the flowers on the chambak trees caused migraine to. Option A, son, B, daughter, C, mother, D, none of these. Option A, son, B, daughter, C, mother, D, none of these. The right option is mother. The mother caused migraine due to the flowers of the chambak trees. Tomorrow I will come back with the other some questions. Okay, thank you students.